What's up, beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video, which we are doing, you guessed it, a collab. So before we get started, welcome if it's your first time, and welcome back if you've been here before. My name is Manders and this is my channel. So if you're interested in unboxings, makeup, or just seeing me probably drop stuff, then stick around. Today we are doing a collab with the beautiful Shining Star Soup. I love her so much. She is amazing. She is a fellow Canadian. We've decided to do a mystery box, so a friend swap. So we've sent two packages to each other. We're gonna do it all in one. So one is a surprise, sort of like some goodies from a friend, which I'm really excited about. And then we also have our top 4 to 5 favorite sheet masks. So I'm gonna open up this box first. I'm really excited. Oh, sorry, I just shook the camera. Oh well. I'm really excited to do this. I cannot thank her enough for her patience because I have been on a low buy, so I kind of had to wait until I could send this. Now I'm like on a regular buy because I'm being lazy. But I'm just so excited. I'm just so happy that we decided to do this. So thank you, Candace, for waiting and being patient, and I love you. So I will link her down below. Please go check her out. She is amazing. And before I ramble for another minute, we are just going to get right into it. So this is what she sent me, and we're just going to open it up. She's got it all nice and packaged, and oh, that's so cool. Look at that. So this is a cup. So it doesn't really say. So it's like rose gold. It's like metal, and it's got like a sippy cup, I guess. That's cool. So it's not spill proof, but so I would pretty much say that this is like an adult version of a sippy cup, which, by the way, I need one of those because I'm sort of an adult. But thank you so much. I'm so excited for this. That's so cool. Next up, oh, we have a mask, and she knows that I love masks, and Sheeta loves masks. We both do Mask Monday, and it's just amazing. So this is the Intense Hydration Spirulina mask. So this is by BioRace. I've never tried this before. So it says it's going to soothe sensitive, dry, and tired skin, deeply absorb, and boost moisture content for skin. So I'm really excited for this. This is going to be a Mask Monday. I will make sure I hold on to this. So let's just wait and see. So I'm just gonna put it over here. Next, what is this? This is cool. So it's a little, I think it's a coin purse. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. And you know what's actually funny that she sent me this is I don't actually carry a purse or a wallet. I literally use coin purses, anything that can fit my cards and my car key into. So this is like perfect. That is amazing. Thank you so much. This is just so exciting. I highly recommend if you have a YouTube channel and you have some friends and you want to do like some mail swap. It's a really fun way to kind of just sort of see what they... All right, so this is fashion tape. So this says Hollywood Fashion Secrets. The peep show is now closed. Oh, that's fun. So it holds your clothing in place. So I guess if you have like some extra cleavage in this area and you want to make sure that your tatas aren't exposed, this will be perfect. That's amazing. Thank you, Candace. Oh, I love that. That is amazing. Cool. And I like on the back how it's like no sewing, no safety pinning, no ironing. That's hilarious. So these are just stick-ons. So I'm actually going to probably, well, I'm sure I'll find a use for these. I just don't know what it is yet. So thank you so much. Ooh, another mask. Oh my gosh. I have been wanting to try this mask. I was in Sephora yesterday, literally almost bought it. I was like, Taylor, we should get these. But they were like, this is awesome. I'm so excited. So this is the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleansing Mask. This is like $11 or something Canadian. So this is awesome. I went to Sephora yesterday. I'm going to go on a tangent here. And my niece and I, we love going to Sephora, but it scares us at the same time. And like we literally will walk in and we'll have a whole bunch of stuff and then we'll put it all back because we're like, we can't stand in that lineup. But it just reminded me because I totally saw this yesterday and I'm so happy I got it. So thank you so much. We also have another mask. This is a hydrogel gold mask. That's amazing. So it's going to, it says it's for elasticity and moisturizing. That's fantastic. Really excited. So we have 3 new masks for Mask Monday. So pumped. I'm really excited today. I don't know why. You know what it is? I did my makeup and I'm just feeling a little bit pretty and I'm feeling a little bit hyper. It's my mom's birthday. We're having the family over. So the next thing I got is a lip gloss from Evelina Beauty. So that's it right there. That's really nice packaging. It is, so let's open her up. Ooh, That is pretty. I'm putting it on right now because I don't have any gloss on. I just have lipstick on. So it smells like candy. That feels really nice. Not too sticky. We're just gonna have to, it gives my nice, like my lips like a really nice shine. Really excited about this. So thank you so much. And I have 2 more items in this box. So the next one is, this is Young Blood. This is, ooh, Crushed Mineral Blush. I've never even heard of this brand before. It's in the shade Plum Berry. Oh, cool. I don't use a lot of mineral products, so it comes like that. So we're just gonna, let's just see. Let's toss some on. Let's just add some makeup to this already fantastic look. I have got to say, I'm really, really happy that I did my makeup like this morning. It's just really fun. I just love doing my makeup sometimes. And I didn't film myself doing it either. That's something I never do. I always find that I film my makeup looks now, and today I was like, no. So we're just gonna go in. And so this is pretty dark, so I'm gonna go in with a really light hand while I look for a mirror. I use my little teeny tiny NARS mirror. Ooh, that's a little bit pigmented for me. But you know what? This is going to be like the perfect winter shade for me. Because it'll be nice and dark. And yeah, I'm just going to take a clean brush, the same kind, and I'm just going to buff that in. Oh, that's really nice. I look a little bit, oh, I might have put a little bit too much on, but that's okay. You know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to top it up with this NARS Orgasm. Just give it a little bit more of a shine just over top. That's amazing. I am really excited. And there's one more item. I know I totally got just like sidetracked there. Like, you know, I'm being Menders. This is what I'm doing. So, ooh, cool. These are those Invisibobble things. I don't, you know what, I recently, as you might notice, my hair is a little bit longer and I haven't got it cut, so I have it on ponytail. I haven't used these types of things yet, and my niece tells me that they're amazing and that you need to use them. So that is amazing that you sent them to me. I'm so excited. So I do have one more package from her, which is even more exciting, because we were going to do 2 collab videos, and you know me, I'm like the worst. I'll take full responsibility for the fact we're only doing 1, but we also sent each other our 4 to 5 favorite different sheet masks. So I am just going to go right in here and we're going to see. So I'm going to move everything to the side and we are going to get rocking and rolling. So the first one is the Hydrogel Gold Sheet Mask. This is the one she sent me in the last box. That's amazing. Oh, that's amazing. I'm really excited to have 2. Perfect. So you must really love this mask. That's amazing. And it says it's for 25 hours. It's 25-hour moisture. So that's fantastic. So the next one, this is by Wonder. So this is Macai Berry. This is their antioxidant mask. I've never even heard of this brand. This looks so cool. I do love sheet masks. You know what? Really, you send me a sheet mask, I'm going to be really excited about it because I'm going to use it and I'm going to love it because I love sheet masks. So that's really excited. I'm really excited for that one. Oh, another Glam Glow. That's amazing. Oh, so you must really love this one too. That's amazing. I have been wanting to try this mask for so long, like I said before. So now I have 2 of them. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. All right, and we're down to the last one. Oh, what is this? So this is the Brightening Sheet Mask. It says it's a beetroot sheet mask. What? What? So with a vibrant wine color, the superfood beetroot juice having a high source of iron, vitamins, and minerals, which work together to nourish, perfect, and radiate for a healthier, brighter complexion. That's amazing. So I love beets. They're so good for you. So that's amazing. I've never even heard of a brightening sheet mask with beetroot extract or whatever it is. So that's fantastic. So let me recap this pretty quickly because she sent me so much good stuff. I'm so happy that I have friends like her that are willing to do these types of videos with me. I cannot thank you enough. So we have some really fun sheet masks. So this is all the sheet masks she sent me in the 2 packages. We have 2 hydrogel sheet masks. We have 2 of the Glam Glow. We have a beetroot. We also have this one that I can't say. Like, that is just so amazing. Thank you so much. And she also sent me this cutesy little coin purse, which I'm totally going to use, which is funny because it has a chick on it, and I don't like birds, but that's even funnier. What's it say on it? Oh, okay, so I can't even read what it says. And then I have an adult sippy cup. So exciting, which is actually funny because it's my mom's birthday today. I know I said that already, but we're having like happy hour, so I'm totally gonna like bust out my adult sippy cup. Perfect day to open this. I've been holding on to her box for so long because I am the slowest person in the world. Totally on me. And we also got a lip gloss, we got a blush, we got these little bobble thingies. What else did I get? I think I lost something, so we also got these. That is just so amazing. I'm so happy. So, let me know in the comments below, have you guys tried any of these products? Do you follow Shining Star Soup? If you haven't already, please go check her out. I have linked her below. I'm just so excited for this collab, so thank you so much. And I want to thank you guys all so much for your support and for hanging out with me today. And I will see you in my next video. I love hanging out with you guys, and I can't wait for the next one.